Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamarika, but you can call me Tam. We may not get to go out and have fun for spring, but it is here and it's time to change my decor. I took a poll on my IG story about adding color, and the color peach, or the coral color, won, but it wasn't working for me, so I stuck with my colors gray, black, and white.
In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high, and it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things to do. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, I'll be there. And until the end, don't need to pretend again and again, yeah. And until the end, don't need to pretend again and again.
I found these cheetah print pillows on Amazon and they are so soft and they are so cute. They have this velvet-like feel to them and they work real well with my other pillows.
I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high, and it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things to do. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, I'll be.
The white pillows that you see are actually a DIY. I purchased this fabric from Hobby Lobby and it's like a silky satin fabric, and they look amazing with the rest of the pillows. The black pillows, they are also from Amazon, and the bunny pillow that you will see in a few is from Joann's.
And it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things to get through. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, stick together. Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at
If you have made it this far in the video, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can know you guys enjoy decoration videos and cleaning videos. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Tamarika. I am a wife and mom of 3. My channel consists of cleaning, organization, lifestyle, and of course, mommy videos.
He knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that you got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway.
My coffee table was loose, so my husband had to tighten it up for me, and I'm just going to wipe it down to give it a nice little wipe down for it to shine. But I wanted to give you guys the background story on why it's loose. So my boys thought it was a great idea to jump from the couch to the coffee table over and over again. So I came home and it was leaning. Yes, my coffee table was leaning to one side and it was loose. So if you are looking for something that your kids cannot destroy, go on Amazon and check this out. Your kids will not be able to break it, I promise.
Just finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah.
I need a girl that can ride for me. Wanna lock down and shine with me. Don't you know you don't have to try with me. Gonna let go, yeah. I'm gonna let go, gonna give you control, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Take your time, go slow with me. I want somebody to grow with me. Don't you know, ain't nobody stopping us. Gonna let go, yeah. I'm gonna let go, gonna give you control, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah.
Out of all the places I decorate in my home, I believe my coffee table is the hardest because I have these ideas in my head, but then once I put the idea into action, I dislike it and I start to rearrange everything and then I rearrange it again. Am I the only one that's like this?
Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah.
Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart. Casting dice and roulette. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down and into the pain. All things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. We're crashing down in the pain.
For Christmas, I went overboard on my mantle, so I knew for spring that I was gonna just keep it simple. I added these 2 candle holders that I purchased from IKEA and this flower garland that I got from Joann's, and the 2 black eggs are actually a DIY, and I purchased the paper mache eggs from Target.
I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down in it, again. All things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. We're crashing down in it, again. Our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high we go. A game with no winners, we keep pushing more and more. Crashing down in an aeroplane, all things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Crashing down in an aeroplane, our love will never be.
I moved my sideboard from the dining room and into the hallway of the entrance from our garage. And when I moved it, I was like, am I going to be able to decorate this for spring? Because it's kind of not really in my living room anymore. But I found these 2 vases from Burlington, and I fell in love with them. They are sparkly and they're big. They fit my design style to the T.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate.
I don't know if you guys have ever watched Gossip Girl, but if you haven't, please go check it out because it is in my top 5 of best TV shows. But this sign is in it, and I needed it in my life. Like, it was a must that I have me a Prada sign. But everywhere I would search for it, it was either from $200 and something up unto $400 for the size that I wanted. So I just did a DIY, which was a fail in my opinion, but it works for now, for the time being. Once everything is over with the quarantine and lockdown, I'm going to get out so I can purchase some more material so I can do it over again. And I think I'm going to record it so you guys can do it also. You don't necessarily have to use the Prada sign. You can use any sign you want, but I just had to have my Prada.
Won't keep you safe. Time that I'll be okay. Oh, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I'll be okay. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my place. Shawty, don't play that game.
Dressed to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans. there are waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that?
After I finished decorating, I noticed the sign was too high, so I did move it down. But the flowers that I'm about to place in the vase is from Joann's, which was a pain to get them all cute and fluffed out. I don't know if I need to take like a flower arrangement class, but I need to do something because every time I buy flowers, it's like it takes me at least 2 days to get it all cute.
Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick, you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that. Yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't.
And to finish everything out, I added this glitter bunny that I got from Home Goods.
Look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Hands to the sky if you feeling a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing.
Here goes the finished look of my spring decor for 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some motivation to decorate your home. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and also hit that bell so you will get notified every time I upload. And I hope you guys have a great day.
You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long.